we climbed up a mountain, right? And we took one route coming up here. And then on the way down, Baya said, let's take a different route. And now we're taking a different route. But the thing is, we don't know where we are. And yeah, we don't know if we're going to get to the bottom by the time it gets dark. But you know, it's all in the hand of God. It is what it is.
Fully enjoyed by leadership skills and taking us back to the top.
Bro, he's taking us to Jin's house, bro. I know this guy sold his soul.
Where are you taking us, man?
He's taking us back to his master. It's scary being slightly lost, but there's a beauty in it that you discover random stuff like this Shinto shrine. What's that movie? You know when those three guys go to the forest? Not Blair Witch.
The forest.
The forest. Yeah. Yeah, I'm serious. It's a route.
Is it? No, I don't think
it's stairs.
It is. Are you sure? Yeah.
Listen, I'm not sure.
Yeah. Watch out.
Natural selection. Come on, bro. After you.
Bro, where are you going? This might take us from the other side. Bro, this is not a path, bro.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, you know, this doesn't look like a
This ain't a path.
path to hell.
Ground, bro.
We've gone through a lot of forests and we just found a path. Hopefully this will lead us to the base of the mountain, but at the moment it's hard to tell. So
My legs are bare shaking, bro.
yeah, I'm telling you, bro. Look at this Uzbek here. So we're walking down the banana forest and we find a pot of money, an offering to the Shinto gods, and the first thing he tells me is, bro, should we jack it? What's that? A path? We found a sign, but it's not to the base, it's taking us to some temple. Shit. So basically, we're going completely the wrong way. Some next Japanese village in the middle of nowhere, but it's okay. It's been a good journey. Yeah. What are you saying, Riz, man?
We just want to do it right, bro. We got lost, sorry.
He's basically made it off the island. He's still alive, and he's still alive. So, yeah, good news.
Gangster shit.